we are going to learn about the ratio of tangent, cosine and sine. By definition, in a right angle triangle, the sine of an angle is equal to the ratio of the opposite side over the hypotenuse. By definition, in a right angle, the cosine of an angle is equal to the adjacent side over the hypotenuse. And by definition, the tangent of an angle is equal to the ratio of the opposite side over the adjacent side. So, if we have an opposite side and adjacent side of a right angle triangle, we will know that the tangent of the angle X equals to the ratio of the opposite over adjacent. We now look at the two ratios involving the hypotenuse. Sine angle X will be equals to the ratio of the opposite over the hypotenuse. Similarly, for cosine of an angle, it will equal to the ratio of the adjacent side over the hypotenuse. How do we remember the ratios? Now, if you look at the three Trigo ratios given below, and if we take the first letter of each word, and we write the letters in order, you have this sentence called TOA CAH SOH. To remember all the Trigo ratios, just remember the word above, TOA CAH SOH. In this example, we will identify the sine, cosine and tangent of angle X. Given the ratio of A over C, in this right angle triangle, A is the opposite, C is the hypotenuse. Opposite over hypotenuse, we have the relation of sine X. For B over C, B is the adjacent, C is the hypotenuse. Adjacent over hypotenuse. By definition, it is the cosine of the angle. And A over B. A is the opposite side, B is the adjacent side. Ratio of the opposite over adjacent side by definition is given as tangent X.